Good morning, friends. This has been a wonderful morning today. I am seeing the August gathering of all pathologists, and this is a specialty conference. Indian Medical Association Pune has been organizing so many events, so many conferences, so many CMEs, but such a wonderful gathering has been organized by Govilkar Metropolis, Indian Medical Association, and IIPP. Govilkar Laboratories has got the final word, not in Pune, not in Maharashtra, not in India, but across the world. Any investigation for that matter, when it's in doubt, people say, Dr. Govilkar has written and signed, that is the stamp. And that is the authentic thing, what everybody feels. Dr. Govilkar and his team, though they are working in the laboratory, they thought, why not to teach the pathologist? Why not to teach the doctors in this particular regard? Because the knowledge has been changing day by day. What we have learned in our days of MBBS and MD pathology, that is not there today. Every day it has been changing. And to gain the knowledge, such conferences have been organized. And nowadays, the stamp of learning has been given by Maharashtra Medical Council. And for that, Dr. Govilkar has joined the hands with Indian Medical Association along with IAPP. And we took this opportunity to organize this event. Dear friends, nowadays, though you have learned a knowledge, you have gained the knowledge through the conference, it has to be stamped by MMC credit hours. And we have applied for this conference and we have gained 3 MMC credit hours. For that, I request few suggestions to you. There is the attendance sheet. On that attendance sheet, just see that your name has been spelled properly, your MMC registration number, and your sign has to be there on both days. And at the end of the day, that is at the last lecture, you are supposed to submit the feedback form. Then and then only your MMC credit hours will be sanctioned. There are 2 MMC observers which are sent by Maharashtra Medical Council. And Indian Medical Association, under the leadership of our President Dr. Maya Turpure, we have taken efforts to grant these MMC credit hours to be granted. And your MMC credit hours should be directly uploaded on the MMC website. Though you will also be handed over the certificate, that's what you have to carry with you. And the senior people over 70 years of age may not be needing this MMC accreditation. But take this opportunity, you are here not for MMC credit hours, but for gaining the knowledge. Thank you very much.